The Sony BRAVIA 8255-inch TV keeps popping up everywhere. I grabbed one. Here's my unfiltered take. This TV is a total game changer, and for good reason. First off, let me say that if you're still watching me, you need to upgrade your TV to the new generation of smart TVs with Google TV on board. The XR processor with AI technology makes all the difference in picture quality, color accuracy, and contrast. Now I know what you're thinking. It's just another fancy processor, but trust me when I say this is real magic. Let me give you 3 features that I think are absolute must-haves for anyone in the market for a new TV. First off, the quantum dot panel and XR Trullumino's Max deliver an insane amount of color accuracy, with over 8 million self-lit pixels precisely controlled to produce pure black. That's right, no more washed-out colors or dim brightness. Another feature that really stood out to me was the Dolby Vision Atmos support. It's not just a fancy tagline. This TV delivers top-notch cinematic sound and visuals. I mean, if you're one of those people who still enjoys watching movies on the big screen, you owe it to yourself to experience this. Lastly, with Apple AirPlay 2 and Google Cast, you can easily stream content from your phone or tablet to your TV without any hassle. No more getting up from the couch just to adjust the sound settings. Everything is at your fingertips. Now I know some of you are probably thinking, wait a minute, isn't this TV going to break the bank? And yeah, it's not exactly cheap. But let me tell you, for those of us who care about picture quality and don't want to sacrifice it for price, this is an absolute no-brainer. Here's the thing, if you're someone who values convenience, picture quality, and all the bells and whistles that come with a high-end smart TV, then this is the TV for you. You deserve better than a subpar viewing experience. Trust me when I say this TV delivers on every front. However, there is one area where this TV falls short: HDMI port count. With only 4 ports, it's not ideal for those of you who have multiple devices connected to your TV at all times. If you're someone who likes to game or watch 4K content with a lot of external devices, this might be a problem. In conclusion, if you've been holding out for the perfect TV, one that delivers on picture quality, convenience, and performance, then the Sony BRAVIA 8255-inch TV is your guy. Don't get me wrong, it's not perfect, but for anyone who cares about the good stuff, this is a total winner. Subscribe. New review every week. No padding, no paid opinions. Amazon link is right below. Until next time.